Okay, here's the Orange Crush Pro 120 that was brought to me today for a noisy, dirty channel. They said that the clean channel sounds just fine, no issues there. So I got it powered up here. We're gonna see what it sounds like, see what's going on with it. Here's the clean channel on a 7-string Schecter. I am a metal player. I don't play all of the bluesy stuff, or at least not yet, but here you go. Alright, clean channel sounds good. Let's go to the dirty. Okay. There's definitely an issue there. Okay, I got the amp all tore down and everything. I've already fixed it. Sorry, but basically is what I did was I took out this preamp board here and flipped it over. Couldn't see anything that was noticeably wrong with it. So I just started reflowing every single solder joint on this board. And if you do that, you have to be very, very careful, because that's a good way to create some shorts yourself and just make more of a problem than there was originally. So to do that, you got to be very, very careful. I'm thinking that the main problem was somewhere right around here, around this gain pot, but I couldn't find any definite issues. So we'll go ahead and put her back together and give her a demo. Okay, here we are. I got the Orange Crush Pro 120 powered back up. I'm running it through a custom built 212 cabinet with vintage 30s, using a Shure SM57 mic, and all of the EQ controls are right about noon, and volume controls are about noon. So here it goes.